Mr. X is investing rupees 100 annually for 3 years with Bank of India. Deposit is made from end of year 2001 onwards to end of year 2003. Calculate maturity amount of deposit at the end of year 2003. The rate of interest or cost of capital is 10%. Like that information is given. Try to calculate answer on your own. We understand that say we are required to compute the maturity amount, so we have to apply the future value formula. Second thing is that we understand that say we are required, that is we have been given a recurring investment without any break in between of the same amount, so we can apply the annuity formula. So please write an answer. Maturity amount is equal to recurring investment into FVIFA at I rate of interest for n number of years. So the investment is made of 100 annually into FVIFA at the rate of 10% for 3 years. One plus I raised to n minus 1 divided by I. So it is 100 into 1.10 raised to 3 minus 1 divided by I, that is divided by 10%. So 1.1023 minus 1 divided by 0.1, 3.31 means investing 1 rupee from end of year 1 to end of year 3 will have a maturity of 3.31 at the end of the third year. So the maturity amount of deposit is 331. It is year 3. Please write down answer. Let us read the note. For calculating maturity amount of deposit, future value formula will have to be applied. So always whenever there is maturity amount to be calculated, we have to apply the future value formula. If there is annual cash flow, or we can say recurring cash flow, then annuity formula will have to be applied. If investment is made for once only, if it is made only for once, then FVIF formula will have to be applied for calculating maturity amount of deposit. If there is an annual investment, then annuity formula, that is FVIF formula, will have to be applied to calculate the maturity amount of deposit. FVIFA is indicating that if 1 rupee is invested annually from end of year 1 onwards till end of nth year at I rate of interest or cost of capital, then what will be the maturity amount of deposit at the end of nth year? For this question, it will be considered that investment is made at the end of each year, and further investment is maturing at the end of third year. Investment is made at the end of each year. Further third year investment is made at the end of the third year, and the same is immediately withdrawn. So for the third year investment, no interest will be received by the investor. Once again, rate of interest or cost of capital will be considered on annually compounded basis. That is what we understand.